antibody against the coronavirus!
Oh my god, he does call you this?
Yeah, he does!
Oh my god, get the lighter now!
Wait, what?